Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a forward edge, guys, and if you have a forward edge and you're trying to find the fuse for the airbag occupant classification system, guys, this is the one that detects if you have enough passenger on the front seat, guys, also known as airbag fuse. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, parts, tools, anything like that, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So this right here now, it's a 2009 forward edge that we'll be working on, and we'll demonstrate where that fuse is located, guys. Now, you need to come inside. Let me show you where it's located. Okay, you need to come inside, and it's actually all the way, okay, in the footwell. Okay, that fuse is located right there. So if you come right here, guys, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box that looks like that. Now, it won't be so visible, guys, because you will have one cover like that here. So you need to slide that thing over and open it. Once you open it, guys, let me show you what you have here. You're going to have another fuse cover that you need to remove. You need to squish on each side, press those tabs, pull it out. Once you guys pull it out, okay, you will be able to reach the fuses. Now, good news, guys, okay, the good news is that once you guys, okay, reach the fuses, you can see the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the cover, okay, right there, but it doesn't say what they're for, so you need to find out now. We need to, guys, locate fuse number 46. Okay, let me try to focus a little bit here. Fuse number 46, guys, it's this fuse right there. The layout corresponds to what we have there. So that's the fuse for the airbag system, for the OCS system, occupant classification system, guys. This is, okay, this is the first fuse, 7.5 amp fuse right there. I wouldn't recommend it without, recommend removing it without, guys, first without disconnecting the car battery for at least 1 hour, because every time you work on the airbag system you have to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before you do that. Why? Because otherwise things may explode and kill you or kill your passengers, guys. In addition, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do that. Okay, just avoid it, guys. Take it to a professional. Consider this entertaining video. But that's where the fuse is located. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.